pergi check gate bean. Kali kalau ada ka ngelak benong kum ka bentang jong ke district council. Nandu kisnem araja. Ladat hok kut kubor ya kaju. Berkayai peteng berhaduk mentah lu haduk menakani lu salap don ke balik ke cingkang sakayin ka seriru. Habe dei batini ka jing bo ikin ki illegal check gates. Kaya kebetulan kamu ini kalau nila balik kat sebalik. Hindai lah tanggung yo ahi ki beri ke basyong hang tu ki ba long commit ya kat good governance. Kata kalau kabae. Nah kalian juga VPP ni kuah bagi ni ki illegal check gates in kang no baro. Kata kan ke jing ujung ke Voice of the People Party.
Tang Kyndit snem hadin baki bor penya district karib hoy iladab an khang khardab ya ka khardab krong khajna bi an jo ka executive committee barim ke East Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ha dihar hanrei ha kini Kyndit sngi lami thamai biang saka wei ka khardab krong khajna jo ka KHADC ha po ka jingalam jo ka EC sing Voice of the People Party ha ka te hi ka jo ko jaka ka badon harut jo ka Surakba National Highway 6
has come up in Umdihar on the national highway, and apparently the check gate belongs to KHADC. However, as per the government rules, no check gate of any department can come up over national highway or state PWD roads without adequate permission and NOC from the competent authority. So that's why when we received complaints and since there was a news report, we had to close it down.